if I asked you to pick one Bengaluru slang that comes to your mind first, what does come to your mind? Solpa adjust Madi? Well, Bangalore is a city that has of course, a language of its own. For example, if you travel up north and you say like a lot, people are like, oh, that's a Bangalorean accent. Or, for example, the way we use the word chumma in Bangalore, as opposed to the way the rest of India uses the word chumma, is very, very different. There are so many words that are so unique to our city, and these slangs. A lot of times you're wondering, where the hell do these come from? Like, what's the origin of these, number one? And honestly, if you're a Bangalorean who maybe is not natively from Bangalore, how do you learn these slangs? Aikyata Yarasala, she's a freelance journalist. She runs a social media page that I came across called Slangaluru. Aikyata, it is lovely to have you on the show. How are you?
Thank you so much for having me. That's really nice of you.
Well, I am so excited because particularly you do some very, very cool stuff on social media. We'll get to what exactly and we'll get to how you managed to get to this space. But one, for people to understand who you are, I think a better way to do it is tell me your favorite Bangalore slang, Aikita.
Yappa.
Really? Like how we say, like how
Yeah.
we're fed up, we're like, yappa, like that, right?
So, yeah. So the beauty of the word is I like it because it's so versatile. You can use it in any context. Like if ABD is belting, Maxwell is belting on the field, you'll be like, yappa, yen shot hodda maga. Or if you see Benedict Cumberbatch in Sherlock and you're like, yappa, yen acting martane. Or if you're really disgusted at the way someone's eating and you're like, yappa, yen tinta idane nodu. So that's why I like that word.
Oh my
It's
god, that was so
probably the
good. That was
most
like a class in
versatile.
itself just now, what you just did. That was fantastic, by the way. Man, okay, okay, so that's awesome. But by default, you're actually a freelance journalist. Tell me, what exactly is it that you do?
So I was working full time as a features writer for Deccan Chronicle for 3.5 years, and then I started freelancing. So I write for a couple of publications, and I mostly do a lot of interviews of film actors, people in film, entertainment, music. I have interviewed you too, Kay. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and one of the best things about my job is I get to interview cricketers, which is my favorite part of the job.
Awesome, awesome. But what I really, really, really like is the fact that you run this beautiful page that I came across. And you, in fact, DM'd me. And I was like, who's this person? And I checked out your page and I was like, this is such a cool page. You call it Slangaluru. It's got a lot of these cool, really, the slang that Bengaluru uses. It's on Instagram for people who are probably want to search for it. It's called Slangaluru. My favorite is when Bangaloreans say, let's put one macha. So
Let's put one matcha.
no,
Yeah,
so that applies to anything. Say, for example, you want to go build some corner house. So, hey, macha, come, let's put one.
yeah.
So it's such a super thing because I think Bangalore's all about food. Bangalore's all about the eating joints and whatnot. So if you're a Bangalorean, you cannot not be a foodie, right? So that's one of my favorite
Right.
words. Now take us through some more.
Apart from let's put one, you know, I need to explain a bit here because you said matcha. Uh, when I'm posting stuff, I need to be careful because I use maga more because maga is
Ha,
Kannada.
ha,
And then we also borrow words from other languages like da, chumma, vanchu, matcha. I use that once in a while.
ha.
So I need to balance out things. So I mostly use maga a lot. I use matcha too, but then maga is Kannada. So belting is another word we use when you've belted Meghna biryani, or you can also use clean Krishnappa. So clean Krishnappa is a word that a follower taught me. So
Okay.
when you go to a wedding and there's this banana leaf meal that you're eating, and you
Yeah.
cleanly eat everything and you lick everything off the leaf, you say, "Ivat full cream Krishnappa marbitte." So
Oh,
yeah,
oh, nice. That is cool.
yeah,
So
yeah, and
basically, everything
it
was
can
finger
also be
licking good, and
used.
you've cleaned the plate like you've wiped it
Yeah,
clean.
wiped it clean. And you can also use it when you're watching a match and then RCB for once is playing well. So I'm going to say nice things. And RCB, decimated some bowling lineup, and you'll be like, full clean Krishnappa Madbatu.
Super.
So
I like
you can
that.
use it that way
I think there's something
too.
perfect to learn, especially around the cricketing season, because these are words we
Yes,
like using, and especially for
right.
a person who's come from another part of, say, the country, and is
Yeah,
now settled in Bangalore, because we're a city of nomads. People come from everywhere, and the nice part is they want to learn these things, right? So I think your
yeah.
page really really does provide that on Instagram, which is really really nice. I'd love to actually talk about you actually putting out kind of like merchandise. What's that all about?
So I had no idea of, I didn't plan any merchandise line, but then it so happened that during the pandemic, everyone was stuck at home and so was I. So my brain started thinking, and I'm like, why don't I make some cool badges or magnets that people may like? And I actually collaborate with illustrators who are really talented.
Right.
And I mostly collaborate with people who are newcomers and amateurs so that they also get visibility. And I did come up with a few designs. Some I design on my own. So there was one that I came out with called Chindi Chitrana Bundi Mosrana. So that's a phrase that's used very commonly in Bangalore. And there was another one called Buy Two Coffee because
Hold on. Buy
okay,
two
you seem
coffee, I
to
think
be
is pretty
enjoying the
understandable.
slang.
But let's talk about the former one you just said.
Yeah,
Let's start
yeah.
with that one. Can you explain that to people?
Okay, so Chindi Chitrana is used in two contexts again. So, like I said, our slang is very versatile. So, Chindi Chitrana Madbite is like, I did something really well, or I really destroyed something, or it went really badly. So, that can be used in two ways.
Okay.
So, RCB did Chindi Chitrana Bundi Musrana on the field, or that team destroyed this team. It can be used in a negative way also.
Nice.
Uh, and also, Chitrana and Chindi both have different meanings when used separately. Chindi means super.
Oh, really? Okay, because
Yeah.
otherwise Chindi means, don't be cheap.
Yeah, that's in another language, but
Yes.
in,
Yes. Yes.
yeah. So that way, even, one of my North Indian friends, Hindi speaking friend, used to say thu 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 on people's photos. When the photo was nice, I never understood it. I'm like, why are you thupping at her photo? Da? It's so nice. And then she's like, no, I'm removing Nazar, it seems. I'm like, dude, don't ever say thu on a Bangalorean's photo or a South Indian's photo, please.
Nice. I like it. I like it. I think the buy two coffee is explanatory, self-explanatory.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
we don't really do buy two coffee, we do buy two soup.
yeah. Even 2 by 3.
Oh yes, how can we forget? Of course, that's also a very important thing. I'm
Yeah, yeah.
curious to know where people can find your merchandise.
Right now, I don't have a website yet, but I sell it through our Instagram page and sometimes our Twitter page. So you can check out our merchandise in the highlights section and you can order. I recently came out with a 1.5 magnet. So one
Love it.
really talented illustrator named Romana, she drew an auto with 1.5, and I got a lot of orders for that. So
Nice, nice. Okay,
yeah.
cool. Teach us some more slang, Aikita. One that we've not touched on. We touched on so many lovely ones. Yappa, Chindi, Chitana, Bundi, Masrana. And then we did 1 by 2. We did 1.5. We did Clean
Yeah.
Krishnappa. We did. And what else? We've covered quite a few, right?
Right. Yeah.
Take me through some more. Come on.
So the most commonly used ones are things like tight. Tight is like, oh, full tight. When you get drunk, you said, oh, nan full tight ivattu.
Yeah.
And then you say meter idya. Meter means courage. You know.
Oh,
Yeah. So do
I
you have
had.
the meter to ask that girl out? So
Nice. So if you say, do you have the meter to ask that girl out, means do you have the courage to ask that girl out?
yeah, yeah,
Nice.
yeah. And there are some more like dubak. Dubak means gone, gone case. Like or there's one more
Use
word
it in a
called
sentence for me, please.
Ubak. Okay, I'll actually use Dumki.
Okay.
So Dumki is when you fail. Ivat
Okay.
maths exam ito, nan full Dumki.
Perfect. I think you're so cool. Sorry, but you were breaking up something else before I cut you off.
No, I was saying, some typical Bangalorean things. Apart from our Kannada slangs, we also have Kanglish slangs.
Yeah.
So Kanglish and Bangalorean English. So when you want to go to Level Road, you don't say Level Road. You go
Lavely
to the
Road.
Adagai and say, Lavely Road. Anna, Lavely Road bartira. So that, so that
Yeah.
is
I
So
think,
that's one
you've been in, of course, Bangalore clearly shows for a very long time, probably your whole life.
yeah.
Where has this massive interest in picking up Bengaluru slang come for you?
So I think I've always been an ardent slang user, and for me it was just part of my everyday conversations. But I think when I was in Christ College doing BBM, I had a lot of North Indian friends, and when I was using all these words, they never understood it, and I explained it to them, and by the end of 3 years, they were using it more than me.
Oh,
So yeah, so I thought, okay, and even in Deccan Chronicle, I used to contribute to a very popular column called Sakkat Slang.
hmm,
So that's when I thought, okay, why not make something out of it? And suddenly I just started a page.
beautiful. The page has been
And
around since
yeah,
2018, if I've got that right.
2018, yeah, yeah.
Awesome,
And
awesome.
we're just 450 followers short of 10K. So hopefully your show gets us.
Hopefully, come on. Okay,
Yeah.
she's just 450 short of 10K. Okay, so who anyone's listening to this, go ahead, look for Slangaluru on Instagram, give her a follow. Let's help her hit that 10K mark. And Aikita, this has been a really fun conversation. I do a lot of, of course, serious stuff where we talk about tech, where we talk about health and stuff like that. But this has been a
Yeah.
conversation that, as a Bangalorean, I've truly enjoyed from the bottom of my heart. And you are a cool chick. So thank you so much for this little bit of conversation. Anything that you'd like to say on a parting note to everybody?
So I just like to say, enjoy the slangs. I mean, don't get into fights over, my language, this language, that language. Sometimes we do use other words. Sometimes we use Konglish words. I mean, it's okay, man. Everyone's just out there to have fun. So just chill. And another thing I wanted to tell you was a very common thing that's used here is dead end right and dead end left,
Yes.
which even though is not a dead end, becomes a dead end in backdoors.
I like that. So, if
Yeah.
anybody is listening to this, go straight, dead end right, and follow her page. Um, that's used in the worst context. It's not correct at all. She used it in better context than I did. But regardless, that's Aikita Yerasala. She runs a beautiful page called Slangaluru. Wishing you all the very best, and I hope to speak with you again soon. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kay. Thank you for having me.
94.3 Radio 1.